All right, it is Tuesday. We just came off of a 3-day weekend and just sitting here looking at the market and finally got this whole setup working with the recording and streaming and all of that. So I thought I would take some time and introduce what it is this whole channel and stream will be about. It is essentially just a little experiment to have some community and some education and some entertainment surrounding my process and also other people's processi, however you say it. And the idea is we're going to do analysis, we're going to look at indicators, we're going to look at leads, just anything and all things that have to do with investing and trading. In particular, I do a little bit of both. So that's kind of where my interests are, short and long term trading and investing. But yeah, the whole idea is to have other people come on, talk about what they do, where they're coming from. I don't know whether they have any nuggets of wisdom or whatever it might be. Just want to participate, not in a vacuum, so we can kind of discuss what we're looking at and maybe get some edge or some alpha from each other. I'm a big fan of technical analysis. I build indicators. I build all my own tools. I have my preferred signals for entries and exits for, a variety of types of trades, whether it's options or futures or shares, whatever. But yeah, I build indicators. I like to explore other people's indicators. On TradingView, I go through and I look at what other people are up to. I love testing tools. Lots of back testing is going to be had on this channel. Testing out skills and tools on previous price action, basically. Kind of choosing a random date, going back, and just trying to find signals and the use and the value in a lot of tools that whether I'm creating them or other people are. Other than that, trade sessions, I'm going to be doing pre-market analysis, and then just throughout the day, kind of keeping my eye on news. I'm probably going to bring up my X feed here, where I've curated a lot of good people to follow, kind of just this library, this living library of information, people who do a lot of analysis, economic stuff, charts, reposting important news that is market related. So throughout the day, I check in here. I really make sure that, I guess this is my feed here, but really make sure I'm staying up to date with all the macro stuff and make sure I don't miss anything, whether it has to do with the Fed or commodities or just global events. They all matter, especially if you're doing shorter term trades. I mean, honestly, it doesn't even matter. It's important and it's valuable to stay up on, and it's kind of a lot of work. So having this system of having a platform where I can curate everybody, kind of gathering information for me, and then it just really streamlines that process. And then in addition, I'll be finding leads and discussing, signals I look for in order just to kind of get my eyes on stuff. I know this kind of looks funny on here right now, but essentially I have built probably over 30 of these different indicators where I can just plug in whatever watch list I have at the moment, and the specific signal will trigger on these. So it just saves me a lot of time of just seeing on the brokerage, oh, this is down 2 or 3% for the day. Let me go in and check it out. It's like I already have a signal that I've built the logic into these that is more complex than that kind of already give me a good indication that it's somewhere I should be looking at. A daily drawdown of stuff isn't really that helpful. You still have to go in and contextualize it on multiple time frames and look for the same signals. So time saving, just go through it. But yeah, that's part of my process. So basically, if you join in the morning, you'll see me looking for leads, checking out the news, and then doing some analysis with various tools. Usually a top-down approach. We'll be looking at higher time frames down to the low time frames, and then if I find something good, a juicy one, I'll bring in my actual tools to make entries and exits and come up with a plan for both. So you'll be able to see me do some live trading as well, and hopefully other people will come in and share what they're looking at, and we can do it as a group. We can kind of be devil's advocate. We can strongman case, whatever you call it. Basically, just help each other out, being as diligent and well-rounded as possible. You can read the description in this video. It'll kind of break down what the general scope is. But yeah, I just thought I'd take some time and introduce the concept. And I do have some ideas for the future to make it more entertaining. But the important part is educational value for me and anybody else who might be interested, and just to get a little more energy surrounding my daily process. I have some friends that I call in the morning and talk to, and similar to probably someone like yourself, if you're interested in investing or in trading, usually you have a few people you talk to, but the more the merrier. And I want to be able to get some cool ideas going. I can actually show you really quick. I have the whole other setup here with guests. So we'll go in and switch over to this. We'll be able to have guests up in either corner here. And share screens, share ideas, and it's going to be fun. I think there's going to be some value in it, and it should be helpful for me just to get more people involved. And that's the gist of it. So stay up with me on X, on Reddit, StockTwits, whatever other socials. I'm probably going to have like the Instagram thing, the TikTok thing, the Twitch. Probably just try to put it in all places that I can. And I'm excited to see where it goes. But yeah, feel free to ask me some questions or leave some comments or whatever it is that people do. You can subscribe here. Just stay with me on X, and you can see when I'm going live. I'll probably announce it. And then I guess I could, do a bio of myself, but you'll get to know me as time goes on. And I appreciate you stopping by. And if you're interested in trading, no matter what part of the journey you're in, or investing, I would love to hear from you. And just talk shop and learn from each other, and hang out while we're making some money. So I'll see you soon. This is just the intro, and we'll have a real video soon where I'm actually going through real stuff. So take care of yourself. Good luck out there.